I am in my living room. It is a rainy Saturday. The sky is gray today. Not a light gray, but a deep, heavy gray. The kind that makes the whole world slow down. I look out the window. The clouds move slowly, thick and dark, like quiet blankets in the sky. I see the rain falling. It falls fast, then slow, then fast again. The drops hit the glass and slide down in long, thin lines. Tap, 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 a gentle rhythm. I listen for a moment. The rain has its own music today. Soft, steady, calm. It feels like the world outside is whispering. The street is empty. The houses are still. A single tree moves in the wind. Its leaves shake softly, but not in a hurry. Everything feels quiet. Inside, my house is calm too. The light is soft and dim. A warm yellow light comes from a small lamp in the corner. It makes the room feel safe. I sit on my favorite sofa. It is a little old, but it feels like home. I have a blue blanket. It is soft, warm, and a little heavy. I pulled the blanket over my legs. It feels perfect. The air in the room is cool today. It touches my face softly. But under the blanket, I am warm and comfortable. I take a slow, deep breath. The air smells like rain. Fresh, clean, simple. I listen again. The rain changes its rhythm. Sometimes soft, sometimes loud, but always peaceful. I look around my living room. The small plants near the window look brighter under the gray light. The books on the shelf sit quietly. The clock on the wall moves with a soft sound. Tick, tick, tick. Time feels slow today. Slow in a good way. I don't need to go anywhere. I don't need to hurry. I don't need to speak. I only need to sit here and breathe. I feel calm. I feel safe. This moment is enough. I stand up slowly. My body feels relaxed and warm from the blanket. For a moment, I keep the blanket around my shoulders. It feels soft and comforting. But after a few steps, I let it fall gently onto the sofa. It stays there like a quiet friend. I walk to the kitchen. The floor feels cool under my feet. Not cold, just cool enough to wake me up a little. Each step makes a soft sound against the floor. The kitchen is quiet. Only the rain outside keeps speaking. Tap, tap, tap. Even here, far from the window, I can hear it. I want something warm to drink, something simple, something soft. I want herbal tea. I open the small cupboard. The wooden door makes a light sound when I pull it, a soft creak that feels familiar. I see the tea boxes inside, different colors, different scents. Peppermint, lemon, ginger, chamomile. I look at them for a moment. Today feels like a chamomile day. I take the kettle from the counter. It is silver and shiny. I see my reflection on it, a soft, blurry shape. I fill the kettle with water. The water is clear and cold against my fingers. I turn on the stove. A small blue flame appears. It moves gently, like a tiny dancer. I put the kettle on the flame and wait. The kitchen feels peaceful. No hurry, no noise, just me, the rain, and the quiet hum of the flame cooling down. I hold my favorite mug. It is white with a small blue flower. The mug feels smooth and cool. I like the weight of it in my hand. I open the tea box. The smell of chamomile rises immediately. Sweet, soft, a little like honey. I take one tea bag and place it in the mug. The kettle starts to make a soft noise. A low rumble at first, then stronger. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Steam rises slowly from the spout. The water is ready. I lift the kettle carefully. The metal handle is warm. I pour the hot water into the mug. The tea bag moves gently inside. The water turns from clear to pale yellow, then to a warm golden color. More steam rises. It touches my face softly, warm, light, calming. I take a spoon and stir the tea. Clink, clink, clink. A soft metallic sound fills the quiet kitchen. I hold the mug with both hands now. My hands feel warm. My fingers relax around the smooth surface. For a moment, I stand still in the kitchen. I breathe in the warm scent of the tea. The rain keeps falling outside. The sound of the rain mixes with the soft hum of the kettle cooling down. I feel ready to return to the living room. Tea in my hands, warmth on my skin, calm in my mind. I walk back to the living room slowly. The warm mug rests safely between my hands. Each step feels soft on the cool floor. The rain continues outside, steady and calm. When I reach the sofa, the blue blanket waits for me. It looks warm. It looks safe. I sit down carefully and pull the blanket over my legs again. The soft fabric touches my skin, and I feel the warmth return. I hold my tea and take a small sip. It is hot at first, then warm and sweet. Chamomile always feels gentle. It warms my throat and my chest. I feel the warmth spreading slowly through my body. I place the mug on the small table beside me. The steam rises in a thin, soft line. It disappears into the quiet room. I pick up my book. It is an old book. The cover is green, faded around the edges, but familiar. I open it gently. The pages make a soft sound, a whispery shh as they move. I love that sound. The paper has a warm smell. Old books carry a kind of memory in their scent. I breathe it in for a second. It feels comforting. I begin to read. The words are simple but full of feeling. Slowly, my mind travels to another place, a peaceful place inside the story. Outside, the rain gets stronger. It taps harder on the roof. Tap, 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 tap. Then a soft roll of rain across the house. But inside, the room stays quiet and warm. I lift the mug again and take another sip. The tea is cooler now, but still warm and calming. I feel it move inside me, relaxing my shoulders, relaxing my face, my hands, my thoughts. My body feels heavy in a good way. Comfortable, calm, safe. The blanket hugs my legs. The sofa feels soft under my back. Time slows down. I do not look at my phone. I do not look at the clock. I only read and listen to the rain. After a few pages, my eyes feel a little tired. A soft, gentle tiredness. My eyelids feel warm and heavy. I place the book on my chest for a moment. I close my eyes. I breathe in slowly. The room smells like rain, warm tea, and quiet morning air. The house feels still. The world feels distant. The rain becomes a soft blanket of sound. I open my eyes again and look at the window. Water slides down the glass in long lines. The outside world looks softer through the rain. I take one last sip of tea. It is warm, gentle, sweet. It feels like a small hug from the inside. I put the mug down and let my body relax again. My head sinks into the pillow. My eyes close slowly, peacefully. I listen to the rain one more time. Steady, soft, calm. I feel grateful for this quiet moment, for this simple day, for the comfort around me and the comfort inside me. I am happy here. This soft, cozy moment is enough. I feel ready to rest. Good night.